National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, Mercer County in central New Jersey, northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, southwestern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, central Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 12:45 p.m. At 11:57 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Ferndale to near Trapp to near Honey Brook, moving east at 90 miles per hour. These are very dangerous storms. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Reading Airport met 83 miles per hour with these storms. Numerous reports of wind damage have been received. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations in Philadelphia, Trenton, Camden, New Brunswick, Westchester, Gloucester City, Somerset, Cherry Hill, Old Bridge, Ben Salem, East Brunswick, Evesham, South Brunswick, Sayreville, Mount Laurel, North Brunswick, Ewing, Norristown, Willingboro, and Medford. This includes the following highways: Garden State Parkway between mile markers 123 and 126. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 14. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 32 and 76. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 15 and 40. New Jersey Turnpike. The following is